This is Griots Garage Ceramic Glass Cleaner. This is the foaming version. They also have a spray version and then a gallon for refill. The foaming version here is $6.99. They have a spray version, 22 ounces for $9.99, and then a gallon size as well. This is a foamer glass cleaner and protector that uses a combination of silane polymers and also SiO2 to clean and protect glass, and we will review it today. As you can see, the Huck towels, lint-free glass towels, are still my favorite, and I use them today. Shake up the product, get the foam onto the glass, let it break down some of the dirt and what maybe bug splatter, whatever you have on the windshield. Now, this is a category of product I don't use very often at the shop. I myself like to clean and then protect in two different steps. Anytime you have something that I understand that it saves time combining two steps, but those products never turn out to be quite what I expect and never live up to what I'm looking for. I've used the Griots Garage ceramic glass cleaner a few times now, and I can say it's easy to clean. The surfactants do well, and it is, for the most part, streak free, and that's the cleaning side of it. I do have to tell you and can share with you, and I didn't get footage of this because I found this later. When you walk away and come back, the protection part of it will leave a bit of a film behind to wipe with. I just used a regular microfiber, soft microfiber towel, not the Huck towel, to wipe that off. It was easy to wipe off, but just something to look out for. When your windshield is clean and streak free, you can walk away and you can come back and there will be a slight light colored film that is the protection, I presume. So now we've just freshly cleaned it. Let me take you in close, and indeed you can see there's no streaking whatsoever. It is easy to use. I can feel some slickness right away. When finished with the external glass, I'll jump inside and use it on the inside as well, hoping that it will help with some fogging issues at times. And I'll use it on the mirrors and the plastic covering the gauge clusters as well. You do want to stay away from infotainment screens with this product. And once again, initially the glass is crystal clear, no streaking whatsoever. But a word of wisdom: you may come back later to a little bit of a residue left behind from the protection. And once again, the mirrors inside of the glass, your instrument cluster, just stay away from the center console area and the infotainment center, and continue on. I'll show you here, first person view, how easy it is to work with. Not just for automobiles. You could use it on campers, boats, household chores, mirrors, windows, any type of plexiglass at all. It works fine. So straight up cleaning with the Griots Garage ceramic glass cleaner, the user experience was just perfectly fine. Let's shift our attention to the protection part. It does boast protection to keep the glass and windows clean, and it has a beading effect when it comes to water behavior. Let's see what it can do. I have a pane of glass here, and it does mention, if you want to get the most out of the protectant, having a glass cleaner, clay the glass, polish it, and make sure it is contaminant free to get most out of the protection. So we will use the product on half of this glass. And with ceramics, I know there's no mention of cure time, but we'll let it sit overnight. It's going to be a little bit of time before I get back to it anyway. I did mention slickness with the towel while cleaning the glass or the windshield. You can feel it. You can start to feel it immediately. And the next day, it does feel a little bit slicker. You can see with these blocks, the protected area, and the Griots Garage can, or the foaming can, is right in front of the section that we protected and cleaned. It indeed has a little bit more slickness. Outside, we'll pull off the tape and we'll take a look at the water behavior. I really don't expect much at all when it comes to these products that combine cleaning and protecting. The protection portion of it leaves a lot to be desired. For me, I would just clean it with dedicated cleaners, protect it with my Blue Collar 4 or any glass coating that you would choose. Let it cure properly and enjoy those results. It doesn't take that much more time. So let's check out the water behavior. And again, not much really to speak of. If you introduce a lot of water and flood the area, it will sheet. It doesn't sheet quickly, but it has more protection properties than the section that doesn't have any protection whatsoever, but really leaves a lot to be desired. Not sure what the camera's picking up, but there's a little bit of sheeting going on here compared to the other side that has nothing going on to shed water from the glass. How long this would last? My guess, it would be from wash to wash. Speaking of wash, let's just do a quick wash with an auto shampoo. For $6 and change, for 20 ounces, 19 ounces, it may be worth a try to see if it works in your environment. For me, I'll pass. It cleans just fine, but the protection, there's so much better out there. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.